Hey you guys, it's Tara here and welcome back to another video. I know this video has been super long overdue if you are on my Instagram, but you guys, I have had just such a horrible week. Every time I get ready to do this voiceover, my head is just like, girl, go lay back down. You know this migraine ain't over. That was cute though. So yeah, that's what I've been dealing with, you guys. So anyways, today's video is very special because I am proud to announce I am officially a Model Ones ambassador. And they sent me over some stuff to review for PR. And so right now I'm just showing you the two of the things that I got were these color cubes. One is called 𝗖cie𝗱𝗂𝗰𝘁 and the other one is something, it's called To Mix Every Cocktail. And so each of them comes with a brush that you can take off the top and extend the brush out to make it longer and make it a little bit easier to use. And they also both came with this little color chart I'm showing you, which shows all of the different color cubes combinations that there are. So you can just look at that. And the next thing they sent me was this cute little travel size lamp. It's by Sun Mini. And it's just so adorable. So it comes with a little cord, and then it comes with a instruction pamphlet, which we all know what to do already. You just plug it in and start using it. And so it has a little power button. You'll just push that when you're ready to turn it on and then back off. And yeah, it just plugs in by USB and the USB-A. I can't remember what this older style is, but the bigger end is just a USB that you'll plug into a power block and plug it in the wall. And then there's the little instructions, super cute. The next thing I received was this pack of glitters. These glitters, they're chunky glitters and they have mixes of small, finer glitters in them. I didn't use these in this video, but I will be using them in an upcoming video. And the other things that I got were this really cute, it's like two little jars of some like sugar or caviar crystals. I'm not sure what exactly you call these, but they are so pretty, you guys. I'm going to definitely use those. And I also got this cute little pack of flashcards. They all say redefine. This one says sport is also a woman's game. The next redefine says destiny is a matter of chance. It's a choice. Oh no, it says destiny isn't a matter of chance. It's a choice. You define the standards of beauty. And the next one, gender is not borderline. Prejudice is. Then we have she's someone, period. And a woman with power does not have to look like a man. Aren't those just so cute and really empowering? And I do like that they put those in there, especially during Pride Month, which was last month. The next thing that I received was a bottle of nail glue and then this kit with nail tips. I think there were 10 or 11 different sizes in here. The smaller ones, my pinky doesn't go past a size 8, so I don't ever like pay attention to what comes after that. So here I'm just going to open one up and show you what they look like. There's some really cute kind of like semi-sculpted coffin nails. And even though my nails here are already freshly done, I didn't take them off, so I couldn't use them in this video. But I'm just showing you like that sculpted curve. If you have flatter nail beds, then you might have to use a little bit more gel to fill in that gap and use them. Or if you're like me and you have super curvy nail beds anyways, then these fit perfect. These are the kind that I love to use. So I will be using those and this brush on nail glue in a future video. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get started with the tutorial for this video. I'm going to be using a Modelones base coat and top coat that I've already had. And I'm just going to apply a thick layer of base coat to every nail. Now that I have the base coat curing, done curing, I'm just showing you the different colors that I'm going to be using. This first one is from the To Mix Every Cocktail color cube, and I'm just putting a really thick coat of this middle color. It's dead center in the middle, and at first I thought it was blue because this was going to be an all blue look, but it's actually kind of purple. It's super pretty. It has these chunky glitters in it and fine glitters, and it goes on super smooth, as you can see here. Now, it is pretty thick, which I like because it doesn't take much to build up the color that it's supposed to be. But I did go ahead and just do one coat, and that's what it looks like. Super pretty, and it's kind of translucent. I wasn't expecting it to be as translucent as it was, but it goes perfectly with the set that I'm going to end up doing here. So I'm just going to apply one coat of these to every single nail. Now I'm going to show you the different colors that I'm going to be using from each of the cubes. That way I don't have to go in and show before I do each time, because there was a few colors I tried to show which one I was using at that moment, and then there was two that I forgot to show. So I'm just showing beforehand which ones. So I'm just using a liner brush. I actually don't remember where these are from, but I do have some new liner brushes that I'm going to be showing you in a future video. And so anyways, I'm just taking a thick amount and just applying it in some kind of side French, I guess, or I don't know, just to me I got the idea from these different rainbow nails that I've been seeing. And I considered these rainbow nails since it was different shades of blue, and then one is actually purple. So yeah, that's what these look like. This went on super smooth. It's very thick, but it also goes on it made the line so smooth. And I actually loved using this instead of using a gel polish to do my line art. If you've seen in any of my previous videos, when I do line art, it takes me a long time because the gel polish, since it's thin, it kind of spreads a little bit, but this stays exactly where you put it. Like, these were a dream to work with. I love these new solid cream gels that the different companies are coming out with because they're good for like artwork and small line details, in my opinion. I wouldn't use these for to do a full coat over an entire nail, just because, for one, you would use up pretty much the whole cube trying to do 10 nails, especially if they're long like these. But two, they're so thick and they just make it easy to do art, like line art like I'm doing here. The lines come out so crisp and it stays where you put it. Some of them I didn't even go back in and do a second coat because it came out so perfect the first time. But then you'll see later on towards the end of the video, the dark blue, I did do a second coat of that one because I was still able to see some of that glitter from the first coat of, the base coat that we did. But like this blue one, I think I left this one alone. And then the next two, I think I left those with just one coat. But I'm just going to be going in and doing this on every single nail. It's pretty simple, a pretty simple nail design from here on out the rest of the video. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and enjoy. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, sis. It's free. I don't know what you're waiting on. So I'll let y'all finish watching this video and enjoy.